guess what? Today, I'm going to be doing not one, but several unboxings. Okay. So, as a part of me getting everything set up for my series of unboxings, I am going to unbox and set up my 10-inch LED ring lights because I want these small businesses whose products I will be unboxing and reviewing to have the best quality lighting and video. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this as I prepare to do my small business product reviews. For those of you who are not aware, I have created a bit of a challenge where a lot of small businesses have listed not only their websites, but also their social media pages and that kind of thing. So more people can get to learn more about what small businesses are, that are out there and what they have to offer. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this product unboxing. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you know someone who has a small business who would like for me to shop on their site and review their product, then I will be doing that. Again, this is just the initial video for me to set up my new studio lighting for the small business reviews that I'm going to be doing. There are going to be hundreds, so this is going to take some time, but to me, it's worth it because there are a lot of awesome small businesses out there that need exposure and have great products, and I'm all for supporting small businesses. All right, so let's get to this product unpacking review. Okay, so this particular 10-inch LED light, unfortunately, I was not able to find a small business that sold these. Maybe that'll change in the coming years. But I did go ahead and order this off of Amazon a couple of days ago, so it arrived. So I'm gonna open it up, see what's in here, and get it set up. Okay. So I will leave the link to this particular ring light in the description box below this video as well. All right, so as I open the box, this is what it's look like. What it looks like. It has a nice little thank you card, and it has an instruction manual in there. Okay, because we don't really like to use the instructions. Sometimes we just get things and just set it up. We're not gonna do that today. We're gonna use the instructions and we're gonna set it up properly. Because, like I said, as I start reviewing the products that I have received from small businesses all over the United States. I want to have the best quality videos as well, not only for my channel's sake, but also for their sake if they decide they want to use any of the videos for promotion of their products. Okay, I feel like they deserve that. Yes, they do. All right, so let's get started. Like I said, there is a instruction manual that is included. Right, shows you everything that comes with it. Has the remote and a pretty long cord, a tripod, and then 3 different lighting possibilities. So yeah, so I chose this one because of its presentation on Amazon. Again, I will leave the Amazon link below in the description box for this exact one, and the fact that you have the options of the 3 different types of lighting. Right now, I use like a regular umbrella camera lighting, which I will when I edit this video, I will include a picture of my current lighting. And it's great at the same time. It's not really balanced, like so you can see these shadows and that kind of thing. And based on certain factors, like my lighting is weird. I'll look 4 or 5 different like complexions based on the lighting because I only have one setting with the existing lighting that I have. All right, so let's go ahead and take everything out of the box. All right, first let me get my instructions set up. All right, so the first thing is open the mini tripod. So the instructions are sequential. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so step 1, open the mini tripod, which is here packed in the middle. I'll show you guys. The tripod was right there in the middle. So let's go ahead and do step 1, open it up. So as you guys can tell, I get really excited when I get into toys. So All right, it has little rubber grips. Right in here. All right, so open it up all the way, and that is my tripod being open to its fullest extent. All right, step 2. Install the Q9 pan tilt on the mini tripod by 1/4 inch screw. Okay, so that looks like the little round thing that's connected to the light in the box. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. I didn't really clear off space. I have like all of my small business products like over here. So I'm like working with limited space. All right, so that thing they're talking about is actually already affixed to the circle light. So let's see here, and it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. So right, all right, that's on it. Okay, okay, it's going together. Toy. All right, so step number 3: install the ring light onto the hand tilt by the forward screw. Oh, it was actually already assembled straight out of the box, so I didn't have to do that step, which is cool. So as you can see, there's a little bearing here that allows you to tilt your light. That kind of thing. Oh, I gotta loosen it, I guess. Ooh, ooh. So that works. So to tighten it and get one position, you have to screw it back. All right, so now it's in a fixed position. All right, so that's already included. So we get to skip step 3. All right, number 4: install the hot boot pan tilt into the ring light and drive the clamp by your finger until fastened. Okay, and that would be this, according to the graphic. All right, so let's see. Right. Uh-huh. So just like on like cameras, when you put your boom mic on, you have to slide it on, and then adjust to tighten it. That's what goes on here. So it doesn't say which direction this little tightener should go, so I'm just gonna put it in facing backward, right, and then spin that to lock it in place, and it's locked in place. All right. All right. Next step: connect the cell phone clip and hot boot pan tilt by 1/4 inch screw. All right. So that would be, let's see, cell phone clip and hot boot pan tilt. All right. So it looks like, all right. Oh, that's, so this is the pan tilt or cell phone mount. Okay. And it looks adjustable. Let's see. Let's play with it a little bit. Play with it. So it looks like it's adjustable. Yeah, it extends so you can fit different size cell phones in there, and it has where you can put your 4th inch there. And okay, I see how this goes. So actually, I did insert this right because the tilt for your phone, or excuse me, for the ball, um, that connects to the bar that tilts your phone is right here. So you want to be able to tilt that forward, right? So you definitely, when you put this on, you want your adjuster or tightener to be in the back. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to lock that into place real quick by putting it in an upright position and then turning that right. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then Oh, awesome. Okay, so you can do a horizontal um, capture, or you can do vertical. So vertical or horizontal, and then um, pivot this ball forward to get a different shot as well. So that's pretty cool. So for, I think I want to do um, on a vertical. I'll figure that out before I do my first product review. All right. So I'm just gonna on. I decided to go with the horizontal um, mount. So basically, my phone will fit in it that way. All right. Sweet. All right. So now that that's fixed, it says install the cell phone into the middle, excuse me, into the mobile clip. Okay. So I'll put my phone in here. I'm not sure if I need to take my case off or not, but we'll see. Okay. So an easy way to install your phone is with this being the pivot or the edge that extends, is to go in that way and boom, you're in. You can do a one hand install that way. And also, you want to make sure that you do not accidentally put it on your buttons, because you'll accidentally factory reset your phone. Now, have I ever done that? Like, possibly, yeah. You do not want to accidentally factory reset your phone trying to use a mount of any type, because it's not fun. So, boom, there you have it. There is my fully assembled light. All right, so let's plug it in real quick and see like what kind of lighting effects we can get. Make sure I'm not skipping any directions. Okay, okay. So once I get it plugged in, it has a USB plug. I will be able to adjust like my light settings, which is pretty cool. I'm looking forward to seeing exactly how bright that is, how how this works. So the cord was tied up with one of those babies. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, plug this in to the USB port. All right, and here's the cute little remote here. Oh wow! Oh my goodness! It has, okay. So check this out. It has an on and off switch here. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So that light, indicator light, shows you it's on. But it has a camera for iOS and then one for Android. I don't know why the camera button for Android is smaller than iOS. Anyways, we're not gonna go into that. They could have been the same size, but you know. So if I want to take a picture with Android, there. All right, cool. So that's for their little remote, which is so cute. Isn't it cute? Oh, this little remote. We're gonna turn it off to preserve my battery because I'm not gonna be taking any pictures just yet. Or might. All right, so here, this is your adjustment for your lighting. So let's go ahead and see what it do. All right, so I'm turning it on for the first time. Ooh, that's bright. That is bright. All right, so I can dim it down. You can see difference. So that's the lowest setting, and then up to the higher, brighter setting. So let's see if you guys can see the difference. So it's at the highest setting now, and then lower setting. So you can see it, the difference in the lighting. Mhm. That's cool. Okay, I'm excited about using this. So, and there's a, oh, so this actually changes the color. So, wow. Okay, so there are several settings. So for that first um, setting, you can increase the intensity or decrease it. So this is more like a bluer light, and this little circle of arrows changed it to a different to the bluer light setting. So the bluer light setting, oh, I kind of like that blue light. That's the highest for the bluer light setting, and then oh, I actually turned it off. And that's the like lower blue setting. You can see how the light's changing. Yep. All right, so that's the lower setting. And then the third light setting is the more red setting. So first setting, second, third, which is more red light or like a tannish or redder hue. So the lowest setting, it is currently on the lowest setting. And brighter. Now it's on like a much brighter setting here. All right, so you can kind of see the difference. Brightest setting, lowest setting. All right, and that's it. Okay, so it seems pretty easy to navigate. So wait a minute. So how does the remote capture the pictures? Oh, I wonder if there's software. Let's see real quick. To remote. Okay. Mobile holder. Mobile equipment. We gotta figure out how to use that remote. Hmm. There are no instructions on how to use the remote. However, it has Android and then remote shutter. So there are actually no instructions on how to um, program the remote or anything like that. So I'm wondering if this is detectable wirelessly. It says remote shutter. Oh, it might just give you a flash. Let's, no, I'm gonna have to figure out how to program this remote. All right. So once I get that figured out, I will include it in the description box below. But so far, for this um, ring light, I'm pleased with the ease of setup, the packaging, the different settings. I'm gonna have fun toying with those settings. Um, I definitely so far recommend this. Make sure you have this tightened so you can change this around. You can do this like if you're doing nails, whatever. You can change that, pivot it, and then you can also pivot your actual light. So if you're like maybe cooking, you can position it facing down. But the tripod is kind of small. But the cool thing is, if you have like, I don't have my other tripod in here, but if you have like a regular camcorder tripod, that quarter-inch screw is universal. So you can actually um, take this off of this tiny metal tripod and put it onto a much larger tripod to get a lot of like the height that you would need as well. All right. So thank you for checking out this product unboxing and starter review. Actually, I'm excited to get this put up set up on my desk so I can go ahead and start reviewing small business products that I have started receiving from my orders I placed. So if you are interested in knowing about these small businesses, I will make sure to list their information in the videos that I create for their product reviews. So thanks for checking out this unboxing. If you want to purchase this, go ahead, click the link below, and have a wonderful rest of your day. And other videos will be posted later. Okay, take care.